live stream ni Akay Music Lovers.
Hoy, Diwata! Halika na! Tulungan natin si Idol!
Oh, kapre, dito na ako.
Akala ko natutulog ka pa lang eh. Pero ang ganda dito. Ang ganda rito eh.
Hello, welcome my friend, ating Rayman ng mga kambing. Oh, bigyan mo ng jacket yan, ang aking kaibigan na si ating. Yes, of course, my friend. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Rod Poliano. Kaya nga insan eh, inaayos nga namin kung bakit nakamute. Oh, meron na eh. Okay, meron na insan, meron na. Thank you very much, thank you very much.
Ito kasi si Diwata niloloko si Idol Lakay Music Lovers
Oh, bakit ako na naman? Bakit na naman ako, kapre, ang sinisisi mo? Kaya na pinagpawisan tuloy si Idol natin, Lakay Music Lovers.
Ikaw kasi yung connection di mo nilagay sa ayos.
Oy, ba't ako ang sisihin mo?
Oh, wag na kayong mag-away, wag na kayong mag-away. Okay na. Okay na. Andun si pinsan natin, no? Sa Italy, nanonood siya sa atin. Gaway pa kayo.
Hello po.
Hello po.
Yan, marunong kayong bumati. Dalawa.
Diwata, sayaw na.
Ano? Ako sasayaw? Alam mong dalawang kaliwa pa ako. Ikaw pa ang magsabi na ako sasayaw. Ikaw na sasayaw.
Ito na nga sinasabayan ko na nga si Idol Lakay Music Lovers Welcome!
Mega love shout out to Bessia Azul Dala, watching from Rome, Italy. And mega love shout out to my friend Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, the great mayor Rod Colliado. And mega love shout out to my ating Reyna ng mga kambing. Andyan pa ba kayo? At jajaketan natin yan para hindi lamigan.
Yan si Idol! Magpapajacket siya!
Siyempre, mabait yan si Idol Lakay Music Lovers eh. Tama ka dyan.
Wow! Mega love shout out, my friend
Imagine a world where there is constant
Tony's Official. Thank you for your
food
thumbs
supplies
up.
are depleting. A world where breathing
Bigyan mo
clean
ng
air
jacket
is
yan.
That's the world our children will live in if the current climate issues remain unchecked. Globally.
Saan yung pangpili dito, Jay? Kakantahan ko nga yung mga taga Rome, Italy. At saka yung mga friend, idol host. Anong magandang...
Oy, kapre! Anong magandang kanta?
Kamali ka pa. Tawagan mo sarili mo. Ulul. Diwata ka mo. Ba't ikaw ang tumawag sa pangalan mo?
Oy, Diwata, huwag ka nga magulo dyan. Naghahanap si Idol Lakay Music Lovers ng kakantahin. Ito na nga lang.
Okay. Bigyan ng jacket yan si Idol Host, Reyna ng mga kambing. Ito nga, ulitin ko, baka sakaling kaya ko pakantahin to. Baby, love to tour and turn the light down low. Put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't get no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quiet is strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. There's no hurry, don't you worry. We can take our time. Come a little closer, let's go over what I had in mind. Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low. But some music that's soft and slow.
Diwata, tulungan mo si Idol Lakay Music Lovers. Mahirapan eh.
Ikaw na lang. Mega Lab shout out. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The Mayor, the Great, Longy, under the Great Ruth Collado. Bigyan ng jacket yan.
Oh, ang galing pala mag-announcer ito si Diwata eh. Kapre.
Oo nga eh. Galing yan. Ako naman, Idol. Ako naman. O sige na. Diwata, ikaw na.
Ikaw nakakanta.
Ikaw na lang, kapre.
Kaya mo na si Boss, Idol Lakay Music Lovers. Kaya niya na yan.
Like the words can lie, and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears. All our while we've been so far, we've soared up the moon. And we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone. Some have left me alone, but I have stared at these walls before. And they've made me blue. Come on, the so there's nothing in my life that's still raging. I can count on you. Count on you to be true. No questions in the air. No asking why your word. No looking back. Make a love shout out to Eve and Apple Blacks. Please maglagay lang ng ng bakas ha, para mabalikan ko lahat yung mga nyo. Moderator, bigyan mo ng jacket si Eve and Apple Black. Goodbye. To smiling, to spend the rest of my days anywhere would do, long as she's close to you. Whoa, whoa. Thank you for your thumbs up, host Eve and Apple Blacks. Lagay ng ng bakas ha. Medyo hindi pa ako marunong at babalikan ko kayo lahat mamaya pagkatapos ko ha. Ipo-full pack ko ang dikit ko. Lagay lang kayo ng bakas. Hindi ako gaano masyado marunong pa. Yes! Adik! The great mayor from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, the great Ron Coliano, this is yours, dedicated to you. Call on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why over. No looking back. God only every time to waste my worried mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. I've traveled so far, I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years go by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you. Make a love shout out, Vessia Suldala from Rome, Italy, my cousin. Thanks. Hi sa lahat ng nanonood ng Lakay Music Lovers. Saan ako na ang gumamit ng City Rock Rocket Sound. Yes! Thank you for your thumbs up, my friend Eve and Apple Vlog. Maglagay lang ng bakas ha, babalikan ko yung lahat.
Wow! Ganda naman ng boses ni Idol Lakay Music Lovers. Ang galing-galing.
Bakit? Ngayon mo lang alam? Ang tanga-tanga mo namang kapre ka, oh.
Oh, bakit? Masama ba magsabi? Sabi ko lang tinanga mo na ako.
Ganun ba? Hello! mega love shoutout to my masugid na fan, Antonia Orsua.
Yan! Ang galing-galing naman talaga ni Idol Lakay.
Bakit? Ngayon mo lang ba alam?
Sinabi ko lang. Ikaw kontrabida kang Diwata ka. Lamunin kita, gusto mo?
Nagsalita si Kapre. Akala mo naman mahuli niya ako.
Nako, pag natsyempohan kita, tignan ko lang.
Kung magpapahuli ako sa'yo.
Sige lang, tignan natin. Wow! My idol! Thank you very much sa pagpunta mo sa aking bahay. Mega love shoutout sa'yo, Arma Vlog. Puta, ang galing. Maraming salamat.
Yan. Ito si Kapre, sigaw ka ng sigaw. Dapat binigay mo sa akin.
Oo nga, idol eh. O, idol, ikaw na. I-mega love shoutout mo si Arma Vlog.
Yes! Mega love shoutout! Arma Black! My idol! Yes! Jaketan mo si Idol Arma! Mega love shoutout! Jonalyn Bakal Vlog! Bigyan mo ng jacket yan! Ang aking mga friend! Bigay lang ng bakas yung mga hindi pa dikit sa akin. Please, don't forget to make bakas para mabalikan ko kayo, masuklian ko kayo. Full pack ang ibibigay kong sukli sa inyo.
Yan si Idol. Kaya nga idol ko yan eh.
Bakit?
Wala, sinabi ko lang.
Sabihin mo, idol natin dalawa.
Oo nga pala, no? Ito si Diwata, silosa.
Ay, hindi. Kailangan parehas tayo.
Oo nga eh. Oo, pinsan, tutulungan ako dito ni Diwata. Ito si Kapre, ewan ko kung may pakinabang ako dito kay Kapre.
Uy, si Idol naman, pambira naman. Sinisira mo ako dun sa pinsan mo.
Patay tayo dyan. Sira ka na kay Ma'am Vesha Sul.
De, nagjo-joke lang si Idol Lakay. Idol ko yan eh. Magaling kumanta yan si Lakay. Music lover.
Yes! Kaya nga idol ko rin yan eh. Tutulungan ko yan si Idol Lakay Music Lovers. Oo.
Sige lang mga friends.
Bakit ikaw na naman si Sir? Hayaan mo si Idol Lakay Music Lovers.
Ay oo nga pala no. Sorry Idol.
Okay, mga friends, na umakyat, magdigitan na lang kayo dyan. Tulungan, palablab na lahat dyan. Pakilablab naman si Idol Host Tony's Official. Legit house na niya. Yan. Tulungan niyo siya, tulungan niyo. Lahat ng bagong dikit, o nag-support kay Lakay Music Lovers. Bigay lang ng bakas at susuklian natin yan. Hindi pa kasi ako masyado marunong mag-back, bass, gano'n. Yan si Idol. Yan si Idol.
Hello, yan si Idol. Nagsasabi ng totoo.
Oo naman eh. Totoo naman eh. First time ni Idol Lakay Music Lovers mag-live stream. Hindi niya pag-aano masyado alam ang pasikot-sikot. Kaya humihingi siya ng apology sa mga dumidikit saka dinidikitan niya kasi full pack kapag si Idol Lakay Music Lovers ang manukli.
Oh, Idol Lakay, may nilalamig yata dun sa mga bisita mo. Jaketan mo sila.
Okay, kapre. Okay, kapre ha. Salamat ha. Buti pinaalala mo sa akin.
May pakinabang ka pala rito kay Kapre, Idol Lakay Music Lovers eh.
Bakit? Anong palagay mo sa akin? Hindi marunong?
Hindi. Sinabi ko lang kasi wala pa yung assistant ni Idol Lakay Music Lovers. Para magbigay ng jacket. Umihi lang yata.
Stop picking on me. I can't do my homework and I can't be straight. I meet him every morning down at 5:30.
Jaketan mo sila.
I'm acting like a lovesick fool.
Oh, bakit ikaw nagsalita, Diwata? Ikaw talaga, inuuna mo si Idol, ha?
Set me free.
Hindi. Sinabi ko lang, pinaalala ko lang kay Idol.
Okay, huwag na kayo mag-away dalawa. Okay, mga friends, host, magbaba kayo ng link nyo. Baba nyo yung bahay nyo at para magdikitan na kayo dyan para sa ganun love na bawat isa. Huwag mahiya.
Well, since our kisses, love and lips so wine, the thing that bothers me is that I like to find. Hey, set me free.
Mega love shout out
Picking on me.
Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The Mayor, the Great Road Collado.
You got me jumping like a crazy clown, and I don't feature what you're putting down. Well,
Oh, Diwata, tayo ka na.
Sayaw ka na, Diwata.
Ikaw na, kaliwa. Dalawang pa ako eh. Yes! Oh, ano, Kapre? Ako mega love shout out sa pinsan natin o ikaw na lang?
Hindi. Siyempre si Idol Lakay Music Lover.
Sige, magtigil na kayong dalawa dyan. Ako na. Okay, Lea. Mega love shout out to my pinsan, Gilbert Rentigrado from Rome, Italy. Thank you very much, my pinsan, Gilbert Rentigrado. sa iyong pagpanood sa aking live stream. Again and again, mega love, shout out to Gilbert Rentigrado from Rome, Italy.
Idol, namimilipit yung dila mo ah.
Napansin mo yan, kapre?
Sinabi ko lang, exaggerated lang si Idol mag mega love shout out dun sa pinsan natin.
Ganun ba yan? Ay, okay. Salamat. Again and again, mega love shout out to my ating Reyna ng mga kambing. May jacket na yan?
Oh, ikaw na naman, ikaw Diwatas. Nakikialam ka kay Idol na kay Music Lovers, ha? Ba't ikaw ang nag-mega love shout out kay Reyna?
Hindi. Kinalabit ako ni Idol na kay Music Lovers eh.
Huwag na kayo mag-away dalawa. Huwag kayong mag-away. Ulitin ko. Mega love shout out to my friend, ating Reyna ng mga kambing.
Hoy, Diwata, bakit ka tumatawa?
Kasi gustong gusto daw ni Idol Mayor the Great Rod Collado ang papaitan ng kambing.
Wow! Ako din. Paborito ko yun. Kaya lang, hate na hate ni Idol Lakay Music Lovers yan.
Uy, bakit naman?
Di mo alam? Kasi tatanga-tanga ka saka natutulog ka sa pansitan.
Bakit? Paano mo naman alam hate ni Idol Lakay Music Lovers yung papaitan ng kambing?
Idol, pasensya ka na. Ibubuko na kita. May gout si Idol.
Tarantadong kapre, biruin mo? Pinaktawanan mo ba yung idol natin? Yari ka mamaya yan, sasapukin ka niyan.
Hindi. Ihilutin ko lang ang likod ni Idol mamaya, pati yung gout niya.
Anak ng tepeng, nakakaasar ka talaga. Pati tawa mo nakakaasar.
Hindi. Pinalalakas ko lang loob ng idol natin.
Hoy, ano ba yung pinagtatalunan niyang anak ng tete? Bakit niyo ako binubuko? Wala naman akong gout ah. Lakas ko oh.
Yan na nga ba sinasabi ko eh. Wala pala gout si Idol Lakay eh.
Boss, Idol Lakay, huwag mo naman akong gawing sinungaling. Hate na hate mo yung papaitan, lalo na kung papaitan ng baka. Oh, bakit ka tumawa? Ayan, sumasayaw na si Idol.
Idol, palitan mo nga yung music mo, sumayaw din ako kahit dalawang kaliwa yung pa ako.
Oh, talaga? Totoo? Sasayaw ka?
Oh, sasayaw ako.
Sige, sige. Sige, Idol, magsalang ka ng magandang music dyan.
Sige.
Bess and Jill Ranticrado. Hoy, kayong dalawa, sumayo nga kayo. Dikit at mga dating dikit, magbigay lang kayo ng bakas at babalikan ko pagkatapos nito ha. At hindi pa ako marunong masyadong magpindot-pindot. Bigay lang ng bakas. At full blast ang isusukli ko sa inyo mga idol. Okay, thank you very much. The girl from Rome, Italy, requesting for the song of the girl from yesterday. Okay, mga visitors, mga friends, di kita na lang kayo dyan. At kakantahan ko yung aking cousin from Rome, Italy. Dedicated to Gilbert Rentigrado and Bess Rentigrado from Rome, Italy. It wasn't really sad the way they say goodbye, or maybe just so bad she couldn't cry. She packed her tears, walked out the door, and drove away. And she became the girl from yesterday. He took a plane across the sea to some foreign land. She stayed at home and tried so hard to understand how someone who had been so close could be so far away. And she became the girl from yesterday. She doesn't know, she doesn't know what's wrong. She only knows the pain that comes from waiting for so long. And she doesn't count the teardrops that she cried while he is away, because she knows deep in her heart that he'll be back someday. Yes, mega love shout out sa lahat from Paris. Bigay lang ng bakas sa mga friends, idol, host. The light on in the window, she's waiting by the phone. Ay, sus, ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Sorry po. The man that's never coming home. She dreams of his returning and the things that she might say, but she shall always be the girl from yesterday. Yes, she'll always be the girl from yesterday. Ulitin natin para maging masatisfied naman yung aking pinsan. Mega love shout out Bess and Gilbert Rentigrado from Rome, Italy. It was really sad the way they said goodbye, or maybe just hurt so bad she couldn't cry. He packed his things, walked out the door, and drove away. And she became the girl from yesterday. It took a plane in the grounds the sea, the sun pouring rain. She stayed at home and tried so hard to understand how someone who had been so close could be so far away. And she became the girl from yesterday. She doesn't know what's right. She doesn't know what's wrong. She only knows the pain that comes from waiting for so long. Okay, okay. Thank you, Mayor. Thank you, Road. Stiffen her that tell me that someday Thank you, Mayor. Thank you very much. Ingat ka, always. God bless you, God bless you. The light on in the window, she's waiting by the phone, talking to memory that's never coming home. She dreams of this returning and the things that he makes it. But she's always been the girl from yesterday. Yeah, she'll always be the girl from yesterday. Anak ng...
Anak ng teteng. Ang galing naman ng boses yun.
Oh, bakit? Nainggit ka? Paturo ka kay Idol Lakay, Music Lovers, kung paano ang kumanta.
Oo nga, Idol, tulungan mo naman ako. Gusto kong kumanta.
Sige. Turuan kita. Yes! Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The great mayor, Longy alias Road Collado. Diwata?
Kata, kanta ka o si Idol pa kakanta?
Si Idol daw. Request ko yung Victor Rold na Cheryl Moana Marie.
Pa-request ka pa. Ulul.
Oh, bakit? Masama ba?
Okay, sige. Kakantayin natin yon. Yung request ni Diwata.
Lakas mo kay Idol Diwata.
Siyempre.
Yes, mega love shout out to Antonia Ursula. Back home she's waiting. She waits so patiently in the sleepy little town. Her soul breathes his love. There's a lonely little Maui's I used to know. Someday I will find time, and I'll return from over the sea to where my island sweetheart waits for me. She will water free back home. She's waiting for me. Mega love shout out to my loving wife, Antoinette Del Rosario. Bigyan mo ng jacket yan. So patiently, share water free. Someday I'll make it your land, safe in my arms she will be. My share is Moana Marie. Share Moana Marie. Someday I'll make it your land, safe in my arms she will be. My share will Moana Marie.
Hoy, Diwata, ba't natatawa ka?
Muntik tumirik ang boses ni Idol Hoslakay eh.
Ganon ba? Ba't hindi mo siya inayuda? Ang galing-galing ng boses ni Idol.
Yes, Megalap, shout out to my friend, Ate Prima Vlog. Okay, bigyan mo ng jacket yan. Baka lalamigin ang aking friend, Ate Prima Vlog. Thank you for coming. This is my third live streaming na natutunan ko sa inyo. Kaya nagla-live na rin ako. Thank you very much my cousin Ves Azul Dala Rentigrado from Rome, Italy. Salamat po, Insan. Salamat.
Yan si Idol. Nagpapasalamat din. Ha? Parang nandyan si Ma'am Antoneta. Ni-shout out niya kanina.
Ay sus, pambihira ka namang kapre oh. Kitang-kita laki-laki mong tae. Hindi mo nakita?
Pambira ka naman. Tae ba? Mamaya lamunin kita eh.
Bakit? Kaya mo ba akong huliin?
Nako, patay tayo dyan. Pinaingan na kita ng lambat para mahuli kita.
Sige lang, tignan ko lang kung kaya mo ako mahuli.
Machechempuan din kita, Diwata.
Wag na kayo mag-away. At baka mamaya kakanta ako? Kapre?
Sige, Idol. Kantahan mo sila. Ganda naman boses mo. Hindi naman nakakahiya eh.
Tama ka dyan, kapre. Maganda naman boses ng idol natin, Lakay Music Lovers. Kaya lang muntik tumirik.
Sige, sige, kakantahan natin. When I'm gone, will you take good care of everything? Will you keep wearing your wedding ring when I'm gone? And when I'm gone, will you take out all the photographs? Maybe spend a woman in the past when I'm gone. Will you miss me in the night? Will your arms reach out to hold me tight and keep me in your dreams, in your heart, in your life? Sometimes I wanna run to you like lovers do when love is new. Just for a moment be close to you, pretending I'm still holding you. Yes! Make it up, sell out! Cooking and Travel TV! Bigyan ng jacket yan! Baka lamigin! Thank you very much, my friend, Cooking and Travel. Thank you, palablab ng aking kaibigan, idol host, Cooking and Travel TV. Salamat po sa jacket, ang sabi ng aking friend ni Ate Prima Vlog na lagi akong nabubusok sa luto niyang sarap-sarap sa kanyang bahay, sa kanyang channel. Yan si host. Diwata.
Diwata, yan si host, idol lakay music lovers. Pagdikit niya, lagi niyang binibisita ang bahay ng mga kadikit niya.
Siyempre! Kaya nga idol ko yan eh, si Idol Lakay, Music Lovers. Kasi hindi yan nagpapabaya. Very supportive yan.
Yes, idol.
Cooking and Travel TV. Yung remix, maganda. Magandang background niya. Yung remix. Yung kanina. Baba kayong link nyo para ipint natin. Ito nga.
Oh, Diwata, sayaw. Bilis.
Ikaw na, sabayan mo si Idol Lakay, Music Lovers.
Come on! Dance! Hoy, Diwata, halika na. Sabay tayo kay Idol Lakay.
Sige. Ay, dalawang kaliwa pa ako. Sayaw ako. Yan, nagbaba ng bahay ang aking friend, Cooking and Travel TV. Magdikitan na kayo dyan, mga friend.
O bakit ikaw na naman nang nag-shoutout?
Hindi, may ginagawa si Idol kay Music Lovers eh.
Sige. Ito na. Okay. Palablab naman sa nakapin. Magdikitan na kayo dyan at magbigay lang ng bakas kay Lakay Music Lovers para support ako at magsusukli tayo. Hindi pa tayo gaano marunong magpindot-pindot. Every time naman, basta lahat ng dikit sa akin, always support.
Yan ang idol namin. Laging support.
Siyempre. Hoy, puro ka daldal, kapre. Sayaw ka na! Ganda-ganda ng music eh.
Bakit di mo ba nakikita? Ito nga, umiinda. Sinasabayan ko si idol na kay Music Lovers. Cooking and Travel TV. Dan dikit sa nakapin. Kay Tony. Ngayon, nakapin naman siya.
Oh, ikaw na naman nag-announce, kapre. Nunahan mo si Idol eh.
Ay, oo nga. Sorry.
Sige na. Palablab naman sa nakapin kay Cooking and Travel TV. Legit lang. Palablab naman kay Cooking and Travel TV. Ano? Kapre, Diwata. Pagod na kayo kadadaldal?
Hindi, idol lakay music lovers. Naninigarilyo lang si Kapre, tabako.
Pampalakas ito, Diwata.
Ganon? Bigyan mo si idol lakay music lovers.
Naku, iba sigarilyo yan. Hindi ko kaya yung sigarilyo yan. Hindi niya kaya itong sigarilyo kong tabako.
Para kang tambutso. Ulul.
Ba't mo dinagdagan sa dulo ng ulol?
Joke lang. Joke lang, Kapre.
Yun.
Halika, Kapre. Sayaw tayo.
Sige, idol. Panatan mo. Baka panatan pa ng iba yan.
Banatan ng iba, Kapre.
Siyempre, bago ang iba, kami na lang dalawa ni Idol Lakay Music Lovers ang sumayaw. Kaganda ng music.
Sige, sige. Asabay ako kahit dalawang kaliwa pa ako. Yes! Welcome! Aprilin Milet! Thank you sa patamsa. Bigyan ng jacket yan, baka lalamigin. Baba ng ng link host sa Aprilin Milet. Bigay lang ng bakat sa akin kasi hindi ko pa gaano gamay yung magpindot-pindot.
O bakit ikaw na naman nangingialam nag-shout out? Ay, ganun ba?
Ikaw talaga, oh.
Yes! Welcome, Aprilin Milet. Thank you sa patamsap. Bigyan ng jacket yan. Thank you sa pagkakyat. Mag-join sa aking third live stream ni Lakay Music Lovers.
Yan si Idol Lakay Music Lovers.
Mga friends, idol, magdikitan na kayo dyan. Matatapos siguro itong live natin mga 8 o'clock.
Bakit, Idol? 2 oras lang tayo?
Ang kulit mo. Diba sinabi ni Idol, 2 oras lang kanina?
Okay, done sa nakapin by Aprilin Milet Cooking Travel. Pakisuklian na lang si Idol Aprilin Milet. Okay, pa-thumbs up sa upcoming premiere ng ating friend na si Aprilin Milet. Wow! Welcome to my friend, the Idol host, Remy Rosario Vlog. Bigyan ng jacket yan, baka lalamigin yung aking friend. Pasensya na, basta tandaan nyo, sinasabi ko, lagay lang kayo ng bakas doon sa akin. Susuklian ko yan ng sobra-sobra. At hindi pa ako gaano marunong magpindot-pindot.
Yan si Idol Lakay. Mabait, laging nakasuporta sa mga kadikit niya.
Siyempre, kapre. Kasi si Idol, ibang klase yan. Si Idol Lakay Music Lovers. Laging suporta siya sa mga dikit niya.
Oo nga eh. Kaya iniitulo ko yan eh, si Idol Lakay Music Lovers.
Siyempre. Kaya nga, idolo ko rin siya.
Ano ba kayong dalawa? Binobola niyo ako ah.
Hindi naman na Idol Lakay Music Lovers. Nagsasabi lang kami ng totoo. Idolo ka talaga namin.
Oo nga, Idol Lakay Music Lovers. Idol ka talaga namin.
Ganun ba? Sige, salamat sa inyong dalawa. Laki ng paginabang ko sa inyo ah. Yes! Mega lap shout out to my idol friend Remy Rosario Vlog. Baba ka ng link mo, idol friend Remy. At
This is the mix of DJ Redeem.
yes, palablab naman sa nakapin. Palablab naman kay Efrelyn Milet sa ating nakapin. When ating ko Ilocano gayang ni ating ko ne. Stay connect with me ha ating. Siya lahat ng dikit ko. Kahit walang live streaming, nakasupport ako lagi. Lahat ng ibababa nyong upload nyo, support sa akin yan kasi dumadaan sa aking wall yan. Yan ang aking friend. Remy Rosario Vlog. Kapsat.
DJ Redeem.
Yes, very good. Efrelyn. Babae, lalaki ni Efrelyn. Siyempre, babae. Milet eh. Yan Efrelyn eh. Taga-anak ka, ading. Taga-Isabela ka eh. Yes, idol. Mega love shout out sa aking idol friend Remy Rosario Vlog. Ikaw ang isusunod ko sa nakapin na ipipin na my friend Remy Rosario Vlog Kapsa. Oh,
Hoy, Diwata! Binigyan mo na ba si Idol Remy Rosario Vlog ng jacket?
Oo, kanina pa. Ako pa. Na-jacketan ko na. Gusto mong batukan ako ni Idol Lakay Music Lovers. Basta lahat ng umakyat Bibigyan ko ng jacket yan.
Mabuti naman kung ganun, Diwata. Kasi baka mapatukan ka ni Idol na kay music lovers pag hindi ka nagbigay ng jacket sa mga kadikit niya o yung magiging dikit niya.
Pwede pa naman yun. Jacket lahat yan, basta pumasok. Hoy, Kapre, sabayan mo si Idol na kay music lovers. Umiindak, oh.
Ito na nga, umiindak na nga ako.
Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo eh. Indagan blues. O, wala na tayong music. Hanap ka, Kapre.
Well, since I kiss his loving lips so wine,
O, yan na.
bothers me is that I like to find. Hey, hey, set me free. Stupid Cupid, stop picking on me. Hey, hey, set
Yes!
me free. Stupid Cupid, stop picking on me.
Oh, palablab naman doon sa friend natin, Remy Rosario Vlog na nakapin. Lablaban na kayo dyan, mga friend. Basta sa akin, bigay lang kayo ng bakas ha. At gagawin ko mamayang manukli pagkatapos ng aking live at hindi pa ako masyadong marunong yung back, fake, back, ganon, di pa.
You can tell the world you never was my girl. You can pull my clothes up when I'm gone. Or you can tell your friends it's what I feel like doing, and laugh and joke about me on the phone. You can tell my arms without the to the phone. You can tell my feet to hit the floor.
Idol,
Or you can tell my
Idol Lagay, nagwawala ka ba?
tears they won't be reaching out for you no more.
Hindi ka nakahalata kay Idol na kay music lovers.
Just don't
Inunat niya yung likod niya para hindi halata. Dinala na sa sayaw.
you might grow old and feel
May kalabuhan talaga itong idolo ko ah.
Ngayon mo lang alam.
uy, daldal yung dalawa.
You can tell your
Pati ako, pinaglololo ko nyo ah.
You can tell your daughter mama late.
Di naman, Idol.
Was kissed until my lip. You never really liked me anyway. I'll tell you how we used to let it bring it please. Myself already knows I'm not okay. Or you can tell my eyes to rock up
Yes!
my mind. They might be walking out on
Uy.
me today. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart. I just don't think it understand.
Idol Lakay, kanta ka na daw, sabi ni Idol Remy.
You might grow up and feel the
Oo naman, Idol, kanta ka na. Puro ka sayaw eh. Di ka ba napapagod?
Oo nga eh.
Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart. I just don't think it understand.
Yuhu! Ginagaya ko si Idol Remy Rosario. Magaling sumayaw yan eh. Okay. Para sa iyo, my idol friend. Cry when you're lonely, when you know the sadness on you. Let your feelings out if there's no doubt that your lover has gone away. crying, just keep on crying. When there's no more hope for crying, when your crying's done, let me be the one. It will give you love more each day. Now that he's gone, my hand is gone to give you love every day. Cry, not for tomorrow, 'cause with me there'll be no sorrow, not a tear to fall, but most of all, love and happiness will come away. Cry, just keep on crying. When there's no more hope on crying, when your wish crying down, let me be the one to give you love more each day. When your crying's done, let me be the one to give you love more each day. Thank you, my friend, Remy Rosario Vlog. Ito pa isa, antayin pa natin. Mga friend, patusok sa premiere ng ating friend Remy Rosario Vlog. Maybe you don't know me any more than I know you, and I wouldn't blame you if you walk away. I've been watching you all evening with the teardrops in your eyes. Than can say, think I'd someone could have hurt someone like you, and if I was there, I'd be right by your side. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Saw you in the corner, or the moment I walk in, saw your lonely face across the room. No, I won't forget it, and the way it might have been. Live so soon. Could have loved you more than me, and at times like this, I'd be right loving side. Lay your troubles on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. How long must I wait for the last round to leave you and the last chance to go home? Get to thinking I was born too soon. How long, honey, when the loving done came, it was there and you left me. Just didn't know how to begin. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while. Lay your troubles on my shoulder, put your worries in my pocket, rest your love on me a while.
Muntik na nawala si Idol dun ah. Muntik na naligaw yung words.
Naubo pa si Idol. Ay, naubo si Idol Kulakay. Oy, kapre, ikaw nga kumanta. Nauubo na si Idol natin.
Hindi nga ako marunong kumanta, ikaw naman. Ikaw na lang. Kasi, alam mo na, tignan mo naman yung boses ko. Boses talaga ng tambutso.
Buti alam mo, kapre. Oh, sayaw ka na lang, kapre.
Okay, sige.
Dikitan nyo na yung nakapin. Patusok sa kanyang premiere. Pagkaalala, my friend, idol, Remy Rosario Blas. Always support naman ako sa'yo. Come on, mayroon pa tayong 22 and 5 seconds. 22 minutes and 5 seconds bago tayong bumaba. 2 oras lang to, baka tumirik kasi itong charge ng aking iPad.
Tama. Baka mamaya biglang ma-blackout.
Oo nga eh. Tama lang, medyo tumitirik na yung idol natin kasi pagod to eh, si Idol Host Lakay Music Lovers.
Oo nga eh. Galing sa labas yan eh. Sunod ulit.
Oo. Huwag ka mag-alala, Idol Lakay Music Lovers. Nandito kami dalawa ni Kapre. Back up.
Galing mo ah. Naisip mo yun?
Anong akala mo sa akin? Wala isip?
Sige na nga.
Uy, Kapres, hindi mo na yung tabako mo. Nanigarilyo na naman si idol natin, no? Pausukin mo naman yung tambutso mo, Kapre.
Alam mo ha, Diwata.
Siyempre, ako pa.
Mamay salbatero, anong naman mo? Namang ice cream, gusto ko. Init ng buhay, pinakain mo. Samahan ako, nalilimutan ko. Mamay salbatero, tayo'y sumayaw. Talembang ng hawak, ngunit ikaw ay batang hindi sa'yo'y naghihintay. Biglang ligaya, ngayon naglaraw. Basta ng ulap sa iyong pagkawid. Konting sorbetes at tisniran namin. Mata ng talagay nananatilig. Mayroong sikretong nasa sa isip. Mamay salbatero, tayo'y sumayaw. Talembang ng hawak, ngunit ikaw ay batang hindi sa'yo'y naghihintay. Biglang ligaya, ngayon naglaraw. Mainit ang labi, nagpapatong mata. Sumukat ang pilit, parang awa mo na. Mamay salbatero, nasaan ka? Init ng buhay, pangiin mo ka. Mamay salbatero, tayo'y sumayaw. Talembang ng hawak, ngunit ikaw ay batang hindi sa'yo'y naghihintay. Biglang ligaya, ngayon naglaraw. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la. Mamay salbatero, tayo'y sumayaw. Talembang mong hawak, ngunit ikaw ay batang hindi sa'yo'y naghihintay. Biglang ligaya, ngayon naglaraw. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la.
Wow! Music ni idol friend Remy Rosario to.
Nothing but a heartache. Love until you
Make it up, shout out to my great friend, Mayor the Great, Rod Collado. Nasa work na siya. Stay safe, my friend, Mayor the Great.
si Idol. Yan si Idol Lakay, Music Lovers.
Yes. Yan talaga. Idol ko yan.
Ikaw naman. Sama mo naman ako. Idol natin dalawa.
Ayaw talaga pahuli si Kapre ah.
Siyempre, partner tayo eh.
Hey girl, what you doing down there? Dancing alone every night while I live right above you. I can hear music playing. I can feel your body sway. One floor below me, you don't even know me. I love you. Oh my darling, not 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. If the answer is no, oh my sweetness means you meet me in the hallway. Oh, twice on the night means you ain't gonna show. If you look out your window tonight, pulling the string with the note that's attached to my heart. Read how many times I saw how in my silence I
Yes!
hold me in my dreams.
Bang! Oy! Kose! O kwet! Paano bigkasin? Wow! Thank you very much, my friend! Medyo... bigyan ng jacket yan kahit huli na siya. Patapos na ang aking live, my friend. 3 oras lang kasi yung in-schedule ko. Yes, Idol Bang from Indonesia. Megala, shout out sa'yo. My friend. Yes, thank you very much for your thumbs up.
Music playing, I can feel your body sway.
Yes, thank you very much. Very much sa'yo, my friend Bang from Indonesia.
On the ceiling if you want me. Oh, twice on the night. If the answer is no, oh my sweetness means you'll meet me in the hallway. Twice on the night
Si Bang,
means you ain't gonna show.
Black is black.
mega love shout out again, my friend Bang. Thank you very much. I visit your house after this. Lahat ng umakyat, I visit your house and I support.
Yan si Idol ko.
Oo nga. Lahat naman ng dikit ni Idol Lakay Music Lovers, very supportive siya.
Oo nga eh.
Thank you, my friend Bang. Just stay connected from Lakay Music Lovers and always support you.
Maybe she would come up to me that I can't go wrong. Maddie's back.
We have 10 minutes more.
It's time.
Thank you very much sa lahat ng nag-join, mga dating dikit. Yes, thank you my friend. Bang, we have only 10 minutes more.
Maybe she would come up to me that I can't go wrong.
Again, mega love sites. Shout out to my friend Bang from Indonesia.
Each way,
Thank you very much, my friend Bang, for 11 like. I return back to you that.
'cause I'm feeling blue. 'Cause I'm feeling blue.
And mega love shout out again to my friend Remy Rosario Vlog. Please don't forget to tusok here premiere.
You can tell the world you never was my girl. You can pull my clothes up when I'm gone. Or you can tell your friends this what a fool I've been, and laugh and joke about me on the phone. You can tell my arms go back to the farm. You can tell my feet to hit the floor.
Yes, my friend Bang,
Is to tell my
come on and join us.
they won't be reaching
Make a
out
dance.
to me no more. Take me, break me, but I just don't think it understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, he might
Yes,
go
thank you, my friend.
his man.
I'm happy. But thank you very much. We have more 8 minutes.
You can tell your mom I moved you
Don't worry, after this, I have to go to the market and pick up the goods of my wife, and after that I go to your house and sending my support. All of you.
Or you can tell my eyes to out upon my mind. It might be walking out on me today. Don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart. I just don't think they understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart.
Thank you very much, my friend Bang. And also my friend Remy Rosario Black, thank you very much. We have only 6 minutes more to go.
Don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart. I just don't think they understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, he might grow up and kill this man. Don't tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart. I just don't think they understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy, breaky heart, he might grow up and kill
Galing
this
naman.
man.
Galing mo naman, host. Host. Ang galing naman.
Ang banat. Galing naman ng banat mo, host.
Ba't di mo nabibigkas yung sinasabi mo, kapre?
Medyo nataranta nga ako eh. Oh, sayaw na! Diwata!
Ikaw, sige, sayaw, sabayan mo si host. Idol, Lakay Music Lovers. Ang saya-saya. Happy-happy lang si Idol Lakay Music Lovers.
Saya nga si Idol Lakay Music Lovers. My friends,
Yes, my friends. We have only 4 minutes more to go before takeoff. Yes, last 3 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Hoy, kapre, ikaw nga.
last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Kau naman, Diwata.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. O, Idol, ikaw naman.
Hindi na. Stop na.